Hi. We're having lunch. McDonald's. Feeding the birds. These lovely French fries that McDonald's gives you. They're #1 fans of Florida birds. Are very big fans of McDonald's fries. But yeah, spray flew off. Didn't catch a picture of that. Well, I did, but now we just got one white bird. Where'd you all go? We had a pigeon. There comes a pigeon. I think that's a pigeon. Is that a pigeon? Nope, that's not a pigeon. Some kind of seabird.
Yeah. Seagull thing.
Seagull?
Yeah.
Okay. Not what I picture as a seagull. Look at all the birds. They're all coming. Watch this. This will be hilarious. There's a bunch of fries. Now we just focus on them for a minute. Is everybody gonna come that close? One more fry. A white bird will. I threw one at him earlier. If he would have opened his mouth, he would have caught it. Yeah, it was a decent beach morning. Nice walk on the beach. Everybody be safe, be good. Glad he didn't fly in the window. You're all chicken. It's all kinds of fries right there. Come and get them.
Wrap up video done. You don't have Rush in the background. Wrap up video done? Because you don't have Rush in the background singing. Rush.
I don't care. Hi. Yeah, we're just watching the blackbirds. Alright, everybody be safe, be cool. Love your neighbor, check on your neighbor. Peace.